So today's recruitment tip is all about inflation. What does that mean for recruitment? So those who are following the news will know that inflation in Australia has been on the rise in the past few months, but the latest figures show that it may be starting to cool down. The consumer price index rose 0.2% in December 2024 quarter and 2.4% annually. Underlying inflation also eased to 3.2%. Some economists believe that the Reserve Bank of Australia, or the RBA, will cut interest rates in February in response to the slowing of inflation, and others predict that RBA will hold rates steady. The RBA will next convene in February, so we'll get more insights and information then. And if the RBA does cut interest rates, it would be a welcome relief for many Australians who are struggling to cope with the rising cost of living. However, it is important to remember that inflation is still relatively high and it may take some time for prices to return to normal levels. So the interplay between inflation rates, interest rates, and recruitment is complex. While calling inflation and potential rate cuts could lead to increase in hiring in some sectors, businesses will likely remain to be cautious and adapt to their strategies based on the evolving economy landscape. It's not a simple equation of lower inflation equals more jobs. Many other factors are at play. It's also important to remember that economic forecasts are just forecasts. There's always a degree of uncertainty, so businesses may be cautious in their hiring plans until they have a clearer picture of the economic outlook. This can lead to a period of wait and see recruitment, where companies are hiring for critical roles but not necessarily hiring for anything else, and holding back on broader expansions until they are more confident with the market. So there's a lot to take away from what's been happening in today's news. It also does impact recruitment, but we're not sure. And I hope this gives you a little bit more clarity on what exactly that looks like for recruitment. So if you want any more tips and techniques, I release a tip and technique every single week on a Friday on my LinkedIn and other social media pages. If you want anything specific, reach out to me and I look forward to sharing another one with you next week. Thanks for watching.